Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Tron TRX crypto. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the urgent and I'm also talking about the pump of the Tron. When will the price take a pump? Let me show you, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. So guys, first of all, the live and latest price of the Tron in the market is 0.073527 USD dollar. That is the currently live and price of the Tron in the market. And on the other hand guys, from the yesterday the situation of the Tron is going wrong unfortunately, but you can see here the last 1 week changes is still positive. And if the last 1 week change is positive, that is mean that from the 1st August the Tron start pump and still they are in the pumping mode. But unfortunately the latest situation is going wrong. And let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, you can see here very pretty the price dumps in quick dumps occur in the Tron, you can see here. But I think if we zoom the latest situation, so now gradually my friends, slowly the price start explosion. I hope guys that they will continue this pump for a long time. Now don't worry about Tron my friends, Tron is a safe coin. And I'm also knowing about that the Tron will give you profit at the last of August, so just hold to the last of August. Don't worry about these changes. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Tron? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.